So my name's Nicky, part of the Willow Collective. The Willow Collective came about 3 years ago, it would have been now. The Willow Collective is all about engaging with young people, engaging with like young uns, old uns. A lot of it is around getting them into a stage where they're fit, they're ready to go to college. What we do from here is we start them off at a very early stage. It's like, come along, have a cup of tea, sit in front of the fire. So whether I'm here having a cup of tea with a young individual that's not come out of his bedroom or decided to just take on himself, like I want to start doing something, which I've had quite a few. What they can do is a cup of tea here, observe what's going on, and then slowly they'll start taking that in.
My name's Luca. I enjoy doing the polytunnel, and then I enjoy doing the woodwork with Nicky.
My name is Grace. I come here because there's gardening and things to do and pulling up weeds and picking up weeds, lots of things.
For me, I'm trying to give them a totally different experience. And it's like, I can now show these young individuals, like, look, follow your dream. Do something that's not your norm. This place is exactly that, what this space is about. Workshop, we're fully kitted out now just to make and build whatever we please from here. We've just had an added element to the yard, which is the CNC machine. CNC machine came around from 2 young individuals. I'd given out a piece of paper to about 30 youngsters, all with additional needs, and I said to them, just write down what you want. I left them for 20 minutes, came back in. Half of it was hot dog stands, burger bar, that type of stuff. But then all of a sudden there was a few that were like really positive. One of them was a CNC machine. So I'd mentioned to one of them, what's it all about? Within 30 seconds, he'd literally took me through like about half a day's worth of learning. It was just like, this is what it does, that's what it does, this is what you can do, And it was like, he'd been learning this for months. What we did was we went to DVSC and we put in for the levelling up money to get a CNC for the yard, because the youngsters wanted to turn the yard into a 21st century woodworking yard, and it's exactly what it was, because I didn't have a clue about these machines, I didn't have a clue about nothing.
Yeah, my name's Kyle Street. I sat in here, taught Nicky how to use it. I just seen it on like YouTube videos, and I seen what you can do and how much money you can get from it and make and that.
We've learned and developed so much stuff, we've made so much stuff. We're actually starting to think about now, this is going to turn into a really good entrepreneurial business for them. So you've got 1, 2, 3 young individuals all on the spectrum, and they're going to be taking on the CNC workshop and turning it into their little entrepreneurial business, hopefully.